Come one, come all, welcome to the set of CJ's First Cooking Show. I am CJ.
Boom.
Today I'm gonna be making Mongolian beef noodles. This is not necessarily authentic, although I don't know if Mongolian beef is authentic. And today I'm gonna be doing kind of my own little twist to it. Definitely doing it with noodles, not with rice. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy and delicious. Just the way I like it. The bell is cruel and undue punishment for us earpod folks.
Oh.
I would imagine with that little guy in
Can
there.
you get soft? Real soft.
Let's like just square cubes.
They call that dice.
Dice. Hey.
It's so shiny too.
Those sauces really came together nicely.
Peel it. Small hands.
So come on, everyone, it's today.